Hello, this is GB of GB's Adventures. I had an interesting day today on the beach at Ward Avenue. Check this out. The Carrion Caucus, a tale of Congress versus a committee. On a wind-scuffed bluff above the Pacific, a Congress of ravens had convened. Sharp-eyed, sharp-tongued, and dressed in iridescent black, they circled a sun-dried piece of carrion. A seal scrap, perhaps, or a forgotten fish flung by the tide. It was not fresh, but it was theirs, or so they claimed. Just as the ravens began their procedural pecking order, first cause, then claws, a committee of vultures arrived. Broad-winged and bald-headed, they landed like bureaucrats with wingspans. The largest among them, a turkey vulture named Chairbeak, cleared his throat with a gravelly hiss. "Motion to acquire the asset," he said, eyeing the meat. "Objection," croaked a raven named Quill. "We found it first. We've already formed a subcommittee on tearing and sharing." Chairbeak blinked slowly. "You've formed a task force on long-term decomposition. This is a matter of public interest." The ravens huddled. The vultures loomed. A coastal breeze stirred feathers and tempers alike. Then, from the shadows of a driftwood log, a juvenile gull waddled out, snatched the carrion in its beak, and flapped off with a squawk that sounded suspiciously like laughter. The ravens stared. The vultures blinked. Chairbeak sighed. "Motion to adjourn," he muttered. Quill nodded. "Seconded." And so the Congress and the committee dispersed, their debate unresolved, their dignity slightly dented, but somewhere above the surf, the young gull dined well, and learned that sometimes the best way to win a fight is to ignore the meeting entirely. Thank you to all my subscribers, and thank you for watching my video. If you would like to subscribe, it's free. It costs you nothing, but it helps me. Just click on my picture at the end of the video.